I grew up in a small town in southwest Kansas. My dad and grandpa taught me a lot of the things that I know about woodworking, and I've always gravitated towards it. The natural element of wood is always interesting and intriguing. I love using my hands, and I love to be able to make something that didn't exist at the beginning of the day. So I've been shopping at Menards for years. Menards has a great selection, and their prices are always affordable, especially for the projects that I work on. For a lot of my pieces, I need a variety of hardwoods: red oak, hickory, maple, mahogany. I can walk out of the door with exactly what I need. So I try to let each individual piece of wood, whether it be the shape, size, depth, or the character of the piece, dictate the final project. And what I'm looking for oftentimes is a robust color palette. Being able to take it from something that really doesn't look like much, turn it into something that has a lot of natural beauty to it is what inspires me. There's always a place in this world for things that are well built that can be used for generations to come. It's a great feeling to know that I'm creating pieces that are incorporated in people's homes, in the spaces that they live in, and the spaces that they spend time with their families. I get to do what I love, and I'm grateful that my family supports that.